Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's going to be BRB, Brian's Rebuild channel. We're going to be focusing on this 89 CRX here. Hope you guys enjoy the watch. Alright guys, we got this 89 CRX here that we have just acquired. This is what's pretty much left of it. We got it fairly cheap. Little dents here and there. Missing the wheels. We got it on jack stands already. Got those drums. Basically stock suspension. Beautiful HF marker there. And we got this thing that we will be getting rid of. This thing is huge. Big old 4-inch tip from the 90s. The other side here. Still got some paint fade. Got some tint on there. And we got the little 1.5 little reactive header on there, missing the intake, missing the headlights, crash beam, bumper. Everything else looks pretty much there. Overall, that's it right there. Nice color. Get that thing repainted, make it look beautiful. Alright guys, as you can see, we got that CRX. I'm going to go run to the junkyard, ready to get some parts. I'm trying to find that intake, try to find that crash beam and a bumper. There's a CRX out there in Glendale, Arizona. It's an HF, I believe. It's the same color. Hopefully it has some parts for me when I get down there. Alright guys, we're back from the junkyard. We got this nice crash beam here, stock intake, and the snorkel. Wasn't much left of it, no bumper. But we'll keep on looking. Found most of the stuff using row51.com. Anybody in Arizona, I suggest looking at it. Good resource. Hard to find parts for the CRX, but I was surprised there was one sitting out there. But we're good there. We're gonna source some headlights on Facebook in the CRX forums. Some out there. Maybe we can source out a bumper here locally too, but we're getting there. There are the APC headlights, projector style. We'll get some HIDs in there a little bit. We'll see what the projection beam looks like. A lot of people on the forums say they don't really have a good beam pattern. That's probably okay. If we need to, we'll get a retrofit. These are glass too, which is really nice. They're not the cheap plastic, nice glass casing just like the factory ones. They're in really good condition. We'll see how they turn out. We're going to get started on it right now. Alright guys, well we're back with a bumper to finish up this episode. Nice HF bumper that we found. Somebody wrecked. Looks pretty good, missing some pieces. It's got an SI lip on it, as you can see. It's pretty nice. And we got some corners and some turn signals. Alright guys, the bumper is installed. Corner lights. Finished off the intake. It's looking real nice, looking more like a car again. Got some body work to do on that fender, but overall, I think it's a success. Alright guys, we just finished up the bumper. The headlights, it's looking good. It's a great start. We're going to work on getting the wheels. We're going to swap out those drums in the back, and we're going to put some discs in there from an SI. It's going to be awesome. We're going to get some suspension we have, and we're going to lower it down, make it look real nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, BRB, subscribe. Thanks, guys.